How to decrement a variable while printing in Python? Some if and else's can be rewritten 1 and shortened 2, code golf style. Likewise, because booleans can act as integers in Python. For example, if a, b column return a can be rewritten 3 as return a, b. In this case, I simplified the condition for readability. Can be rewritten as both of the following. If we ignore no lines, else and end equals can be used. I would like to decrement a variable n. The whole thing is in a while loop with n in its condition, when a, b is true on top of everything, e.g. While using the syntax trick above, nc, n.n.-1 is not only equal to 0, but also subtracts 1 from n. In Python, I haven't found a way to do this. Some invalid syntaxes I tried. How to decrement a variable, and print a, when the condition is true using this trick? (1, 2, 3). These statements aren't always true.
Python isn't C. For one thing, Python doesn't have a decrement operator, so print n won't work. For another, assignments in Python are statements, not expressions, so print n equals 1 won't work. If you truly wanted your print statement to have side effects, it could invoke a function. But don't. No one will expect that your print statement has side effects, so everyone will be surprised when commenting out your print statement changes the program's result. Edit. I just noticed that this is a code golf question. In that case, my stylistic advice isn't really valid. Everyone expects golf code to be weird. P.S. If your goal is to change if statements into expressions, then play with n and or, which short circuit. For example. Or use if ... else expressions.
Gives